Okay, so you're killing it. Running your own business right, working hard every day.
Right.
But are you making your money work as hard for you?
Yeah, that's the question, isn't it?
That's what we're going to dive into today.
We're talking
Investing.
specifically for entrepreneurs like you.
Exactly. We're going to cut through all that confusing jargon, get straight to the good stuff.
Yeah.
The strategies that can really help you build
Wealth.
real wealth, even while you're still building your business.
A lot of people, a lot of entrepreneurs I find, they pour so much energy into their business,
Yeah.
but they neglect their personal finances.
Yeah, and that's what we're going to change today.
Yeah.
Okay, so
We're going to show you how to leverage that entrepreneurial mindset
yeah,
to build a solid financial future.
yes. And we're going to explore some popular advice from finance experts today, but with a twist.
Okay.
We're going to tailor it specifically for your needs as a business owner. If you're finding this helpful, be sure to like and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs out there.
Spread the wealth.
All right, let's start with the foundation.
Okay.
I remember when I first started freelancing,
Yeah.
it was feast or famine.
Oh, yeah.
Some months were great,
Some months, yeah.
others not so much.
The reality for a lot of small business owners,
Yeah,
And that's why I think the first step before you even think about investing
Yeah.
is building that emergency fund.
emergency fund.
Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This cushion can be a lifesaver. If a client unexpectedly drops out, project falls through.
It's peace of mind, knowing that you can weather those storms, which are inevitable.
Oh.
But what about debt? A lot of entrepreneurs, especially ones who bootstrap their business, are still hanging around.
High interest debt, a wealth killer. Think about it. If you're paying, let's say, 8% interest on a loan, that's money you're losing that could be growing in the market. Like running a race with a weight strapped to your ankle. You got to get rid of that debt.
Okay, so debt's paid down, emergency fund is in place. Now we're ready to invest. Where do we even begin?
So many options out there. But there's one fundamental principle that can't be overstated. It's the power of
Compound interest.
This is like the secret sauce of wealth building. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, right?
Okay.
Start small, but as it gathers more snow,
Yeah,
it grows exponentially.
I see where you're going.
Your money works the same way.
Okay.
The earlier you start investing, even with small amounts,
Yeah.
the more time it has to compound and grow
Obviously.
into a substantial snowball of wealth.
So we don't need a huge chunk of change
Right.
to get started.
Not necessarily large initial investments, put in a little bit regularly, and it'll build up over time.
So, like, give me an example. How much? How little can we start with?
Well, think about this. If you invested just $100
A week.
for the next 30 years, earning an average market return of, let's say, 7%, you'd end up with over $400,000.
Wow, that's incredible.
That's the magic of compound interest.
Okay, I'm convinced. I need to start investing. But how do we actually do it? Like, what are the mechanics? What accounts do we need?
The first thing you'll need is a
Brokerage account.
This is essentially your gateway to the investment world, where you can buy and sell stocks, bonds, all sorts of assets. There are many reputable brokerage firms out there. Most offer user-friendly online platforms.
So, like my online investment dashboard.
Exactly.
Okay, brokerage account. Got it. What about all those other accounts I hear about? Like Roth IRAs, 401ks?
Yeah.
Sounds so confusing to me.
They're not as complicated as they sound. A
Oh.
Roth IRA. This is a retirement account that offers some great tax advantages. You contribute after-tax dollars, but then all your earnings grow tax-free. So that means when you retire, you can withdraw your money tax-free.
That's nice. What about a 401k?
So 401k is another type of retirement account, often offered by employers.
Yeah.
It allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, which can lower your current tax bill. And some employers even offer matching contributions.
What's that?
Free money.
Free money. Sign me up.
But as a small business owner, do I even qualify for these accounts?
That's what I'm wondering.
Yes.
Huh.
Even if you're self-employed, you can set up a solo 401k or a SEP IRA. They're similar to traditional 401ks, but they're designed specifically for entrepreneurs.
This is so helpful. I'm starting to see the bigger picture. We've got our emergency fund. We're tackling debt. We're setting up the right accounts. What's next? What should we actually invest in?
So if you're feeling overwhelmed,
Yeah.
by the sheer number of investment choices out there. There's a really simple, effective strategy.
Yeah.
Even Warren Buffett recommends it.
Warren Buffett. I'm listening. Index funds. I've heard of them, but I
Yeah.
still don't really understand what they are. Can you explain it in a way that even I can understand?
Absolutely. So imagine you want to invest in the stock market, right? But you
Don't have the time.
or the expertise to research individual companies.
Right.
An index fund is like a basket of stocks that tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500, which represents the 500 largest companies in the U.S.
Okay.
So instead of picking individual stocks,
Right.
you're investing in a diversified slice of the entire market.
It's like spreading your bets across hundreds of companies.
Yeah.
Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket.
Precisely. And that's why index funds are so powerful. They offer built-in diversification, which reduces risk.
Okay, so how do we choose and buy these index funds? It still feels kind of daunting.
It's simpler than you think. Once you have your brokerage account set up, you can search for index funds that track the market you invest in.
Like the S&P 500, for example.
You'll find a variety of index funds from different providers like Vanguard, Fidelity, Schwab.
Okay.
Look for with low expense ratios.
What's that?
Those are the fees you pay to the fund manager.
Got it.
The lower the fees, the more of your returns you get to keep.
Low fees are always a good thing. But how much do we need to invest to get started with index funds? Do we need thousands of dollars?
No, not at all.
Okay.
You can start with a relatively small amount.
Really?
And here's another great strategy. Dollar cost averaging. Instead of investing a lump sum all at once, you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, like monthly or weekly. This helps to smooth out market fluctuations and reduce the risk of buying high and selling low.
That sounds really smart. It takes the emotion out of it.
Exactly.
If you're enjoying this information so far,
Yeah.
be sure to hit like and share it with your friends.
Help them out.
Okay.
So it's a disciplined approach
Yeah.
that helps you stay consistent over time,
Okay.
which, as we discussed, is key to long-term success.
Got it.
So we've covered the basics of building a solid financial foundation
Yeah.
and the power of index funds.
Yep.
But there's another exciting avenue we need to explore, one that's particularly relevant for entrepreneurs like you.
I'm intrigued. What is this?
We call it fast lane investing. It's about leveraging your entrepreneurial mindset to create wealth, not just through traditional markets, but through your own skills
Okay.
and business ventures.
So investing in yourself.
Think of it as investing in your most valuable asset, yourself.
This is getting interesting. I love finding ways to accelerate growth in my business and my finances.
That's the spirit.
Tell me more about this fast lane.
We'll dive deep into fast lane investing in the next segment.
Okay.
But before we do,
Yeah.
let's quickly recap what we've covered so far.
Yep.
We talked about the importance of an emergency fund, paying down debt.
Mm-hmm.
We explored the magic of compound interest and how index funds can be a simple and effective way to invest in the market. But remember, for entrepreneurs, there's another powerful path to wealth creation, investing in yourself and your business.
I'm excited to learn more about that. This is already changing my whole perspective on investing. It's not just about stocks and bonds. It's about leveraging my skills and my drive to create a richer life.
A richer life, exactly.
Stay tuned as we shift gears and head into the fast lane.
Let's dive into this fast lane, shall we? Remember traditional investing? Like those index funds we talked about? It's like cruising along a scenic route.
Yeah, it's
Steady.
reliable.
Exactly. But as entrepreneurs,
Yeah,
we often need a bit more speed
we like to go fast.
and agility, right?
We're all about those calculated risks, seizing opportunities.
That's the spirit. So fast lane investing is about applying that same mindset
Okay.
to your personal and professional growth.
I'm buckled up. I'm ready to accelerate.
Let's go.
But where exactly does this fast lane lead?
Think of your business as a race car. You wouldn't hesitate to invest in high-performance parts, a skilled pit crew, the best training to maximize your car's potential, right?
Right.
Your business is the same and yourself. Fast lane investing means strategically allocating resources to enhance your skills, optimize your operations, expand your network.
What are some concrete examples? What are the high-performance parts for an entrepreneur?
Let's say you're a web developer. Investing in a course on the latest JavaScript framework could make you more competitive and command higher project rates.
That's a direct upgrade.
Exactly. Or imagine you're a consultant who's struggling to manage their client workload. Very common problem for entrepreneurs. Investing in a project management system could streamline your workflow.
Yeah.
Free up time to take on more high-value clients.
So it's all about identifying those bottlenecks, investing in solutions that boost efficiency,
Absolutely.
and ultimately profitability.
You got it. And don't forget about marketing.
Oh, right.
Crucial for any business. So imagine you've got a fantastic product, but limited reach.
Been there.
Investing in a targeted advertising campaign could expose your product to a wider audience, drive rapid sales growth.
Okay, these are all great examples, but how do we actually measure the ROI on these fast lane investments?
That's a great question.
Especially the ones that are less tangible, personal development.
It's harder to quantify, the immediate return on, say, a leadership course.
Right.
But think about the impact on your decision-making, your communication skills,
Yeah.
your overall business acumen.
Mm-hmm.
That can lead to significantly higher earnings over time.
So it's like investing in a long-term asset
Yes.
that appreciates in value.
Exactly. What if you could learn a negotiation tactic that helps you close a deal worth tens of thousands more? Or a productivity hack that saves you hours each week, allowing you to take on additional projects?
Right. Those are tangible benefits, even if they're not immediately.
Exactly. And remember, the returns aren't just financial.
Oh, there's more.
Absolutely. When you invest in yourself and your business, you're gaining valuable knowledge, experience, connections that can benefit you for years to come.
So they compound.
They compound.
In ways you can't even measure.
Precisely. It's not just about the money. It's about becoming a better entrepreneur, a more valuable asset, ultimately creating a richer life.
I like that. I'm starting to see my business in a whole new light.
Good.
Not just as a source of income, but like a powerful engine for wealth creation.
That's the shift in mindset we're aiming for.
Okay.
By strategically investing in your business, you're essentially investing in a high-growth asset with the potential to generate significant returns.
Look, we're taking control of our financial destiny.
Exactly.
Instead of just, hoping for the best in the stock market.
Right.
So I have a question for you and for our listeners. What if you shifted just 10% of your investment capital from traditional investments to fast lane investing?
I like it.
What could you achieve in your business?
Yeah.
What new skills could you acquire? What opportunities could you unlock?
That's a powerful challenge.
Yeah. It's like opening up a whole new world of possibilities.
Remember, you are capable of so much more than you realize. Don't underestimate your potential for creating wealth and impact.
I love it. If you're finding this insightful, please like this video and share it with others.
Hit the word.
All right, so this fast lane is starting to sound pretty exhilarating.
It is. It is.
But I'm sure some listeners are like, okay, where do I even start?
Right. It's easy to feel overwhelmed.
Yeah.
Let's break it down into some actionable steps.
All right, we're back and ready to map out this fast lane investing journey.
Let's do it.
Okay, so it's all about action, right?
Actionable steps.
Where do we begin?
So think of it like a business plan for your personal and professional growth. First, define your goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it to increase your earning potential, scale your business, become a thought leader in your industry?
Having that clear vision is always step one.
Absolutely. Then conduct a skills audit. What are your strengths? What areas could you improve? What knowledge or expertise would make you more valuable in the marketplace?
So identifying those high-impact skills that can really move the needle.
Once you have a clear picture of your goals and those skill gaps, you can start exploring investment opportunities. This could include online courses, workshops, conferences, coaching programs, even a master's degree.
Wow. There's a whole world of learning out there.
There is.
And don't forget about investing in your business infrastructure too, right? Upgrading equipment, streamlining processes, hiring a virtual assistant.
All good investments.
To free up your time for higher value tasks.
Those operational improvements can make a huge difference in productivity and profitability.
Absolutely. And finally, invest in expanding your network. Attend those industry events, join mastermind groups, or just reach out to people you admire. Grab a coffee, have a virtual chat.
Relationships are everything in business.
Okay, so we've identified the key areas for fast lane investing. Now, how do we actually choose the right investments? Because there are so many options.
There are a lot.
It can feel overwhelming.
Here's a simple framework. Consider the relevance, the return on investment, and the accessibility of each opportunity.
Okay, break that down for me.
Relevance means ensuring that the investment aligns with your goals and your skill gaps.
Okay.
Don't just chase the latest trend.
Right.
Choose investments that will genuinely enhance your value
Got it.
and help you achieve your specific objectives.
Be strategic, be intentional. Okay, so relevance. Got it.
Next, evaluate the potential return on investment. This can be tricky with intangible investments, like personal development. But ask yourself, will this skill or knowledge enable me to charge higher rates, attract more clients, secure a promotion?
How is this going to impact my earning power
Exactly.
down the road?
Yeah.
Okay, and then
Accessibility.
what's that?
Are there affordable options available? Can you leverage online resources or local workshops instead of expensive conferences?
Finding that balance between cost and value. I know just from personal experience, taking that first step could be the hardest part.
It can be.
So what advice do you have for those who are maybe feeling a little stuck or overwhelmed?
Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Choose one investment that excites you, aligns with your goals. Make a plan, set a budget, and commit to taking action.
Build that momentum.
Exactly.
One step at a time.
It's not about perfection.
Yeah.
It's about progress. Every investment you make in yourself and your business,
right,
no matter how small, is a step toward creating a richer and more fulfilling future.
I love it. This has been a fantastic deep dive.
Yes.
We've explored traditional investing strategies like index funds, uncovered the power of fast lane investing for entrepreneurs.
That's right.
We talked about building a solid financial foundation, identifying those high-impact skills, optimizing your business, expanding your network.
It's all connected.
It's all about leveraging that entrepreneurial mindset to create wealth, not just in the markets, but in your own life and business.
And remember, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Your knowledge, your skills, your relationships. That's the foundation of your success.
Absolutely. So if you're ready to take your finances to the next level, what's one thing you can invest in today?
Yeah, good question.
Maybe it's a course on a new skill, a software program to streamline your operations. Or even just a coffee meeting with a mentor. Whatever it is, take action.
Yes.
Your future self will thank you.
We'd love to hear about your fast lane investing journey. Share your ideas and questions in the comments below.
And don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs.
Help them out.
Together, we can create a world where entrepreneurs are not just successful business owners, but empowered investors who build wealth and freedom on their own terms. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. What will yours be?